Hi, my name's Adam Flynn from Biggin and Scott Real Estate here in the City of Knox. Thank you for your inquiry on this property. If you have any questions on this property or any of the properties we currently have on the market, please feel free to give me a call on 0423 694 755. Thank you for your inquiry and have a fantastic day.
In a prize court location close to all amenities, including schools, shops and transport, is this truly unique property, offering its own street frontage and one of the biggest backyards a unit could have. On a huge allotment of approximately 430 square metres, this property boasts a popular open floor plan, well-appointed kitchen, gas ducted heating, large bedrooms with built-in robes, carport and the list goes on. Currently tenanted to a long-term tenant that would be happy to stay on and has a current month-to-month tenancy. So whether you're buying as an investment or a principal place of residence, the choice is yours. Often heard of but rare to find are opportunities to acquire a unit with both street frontage, a huge backyard, functional floor plan and all in a prized court location. This opportunity is not to be missed. At Biggin & Scott Knox, we deliver.